Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a workflow in Salesforce. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So the first thing to do is to go to your setup in Salesforce. Basically, you need just to click on this icon, go to setup, and from here we can search for a workflow. So in the quick find, just type workflow and it will take you to the workflow actions. And basically, there are three types of workflows that you can create, either sending email alerts automatically or field updating or issuing tasks or tasks follow-up automation. And here you can choose the workflow rules for your workflow. So as you can see, if you go to the workflow rules, you will understand or you will learn more about the workflows and some example of usage from here. So as you can see, this is the follow-up task for this workflow and the send sales management and email alerts, which is this kind of automation or workflow, etc., etc. So if you go to continue, you will be able to uh, trigger a workflow or any automation depends on some rules. So let's go for example to email alerts and you want to create some email alerts automation or workflow. We are just going to click on continue and from here you will need to click on new alert. So it depends on which workflow you want. You will need just to click on new. You give it a description and a unique name since they are unique operations. And of course here the object that you want to manipulate. So basically, if the email alerts concerning the case, objects, or the contacts, or sales, it can be any objects of Salesforce. And from here, you will have your recipients that will receive this email, and you choose an email template. So basically, from here, you can find many templates here from Salesforce, or you can create your own templates. And you give it a name, its name is test, and some description. And here, all the recipient type, you can have many from groups, either they be the account owner, email field, or some group that you have created. So here we can find the public group, and this is a group that I have been created, and all this group will receive this email, for example. And then you will need just to choose the email recipient's address and click on save and then you will be able to run the workflow. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.